Yes, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Upstock channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from, based on your time zone. Yes, in Upstock channel, we've been working on Power BI and Power Visualization. So yes, my previous video, I actually uploaded video where you can bring in data from source, such as Excel or SQL or Dataverse or whatever, wherever you're working, wherever you're putting your data into. So today we want to build on some visualization. So let's see from our objective. We are on the third objective, which is to create effective data visualization. Now, how do we create sorry, how do we create effective data visualization? Let's come back to our canvas here. You can see our canvas here. I've changed it to actually blue. Well, when you come down here to wallpaper, as I've shown this earlier. So this is the default color. The default color is just this. So you can come and change it to whatever color you like here. So I want it to be in this light blue, and I have this light blue here. Now today I'll only be teaching two basic visualization tools, which are card and slicer. Now, under card, there are two types of card. We have this single card and we have this multiple card. When you choose the single card, and in the card means there are some values you want to be on the canvas, and you want to be showing that are very paramount to you, and they give you a lot of information. They are the go-to values. So at first, say I want to be seeing the profit I'm making as the owner of the company. I want to be seeing the profit first. So you see the profit is there showing. If there is another value, so you click outside there, you click outside the canvas. But if you click within here, it's going to affect what you've done there. So click outside to pick another card. When you pick another card, say I want to be seeing, I've chosen probably okay, unit sold. How many carton have I sold? How many bags have I sold? How many, quantity it is, whatever it is you use for quantity or for quantifying your goods and services, we have it here. So you can see how we have joined these two cards together. However, the other types of card is multiple card. So let's remove this. You come here, you remove it this way, or you just press Control Z to undo, or you can undo up here. This is also undo. So here you remove. So we've removed this. Now let's click the other card. When you click the other card, what are the things I want to be seeing there? I want to be seeing my profit, and I want to be seeing my units sold. You can see this is actually taking them together. I want to see everything there. It's going to continue to show me whatever it is I want to see, and continue to make as multiple card as possible. So here you can see what I've entered are all they are here. So you can come down to here, that is format your visual to format to do one or two formats here. So if you want you to change your shape, probably the rectangular shape is showing up there is not what you want, and you wanted some touch of rounded rectangle. So you're going to have that right rounded rectangle. Let me pick this and bring it down. Let's open it up so that we can see the values properly. So we can have this rounded rectangle and whatever shape, whatever, however you like it. So there are a whole lot of shape there. So we have find the rectangle anyway. So we can close the shape and come to layout. And how do you want it to be shown? Do you want it to be shown in the center or upper part of the rectangle, or the lower part, whatever it is, whatever side you want, you can have it there. Then you can have the horizontal, you can have it in vertical, but this is better. So you can have grid, you can have so this is the size of the space between these cards. When you increase it, you discover that this space continues to get huge and huge and huge. However, you need to maximize this small canvas you have. So we can reduce this as well. We go back to our five. Sorry, we go back to five that it was earlier, or you can just do this and impute your five. So it's okay. So let's go back and have the call outs where we can change some colors, some settings like that. So here it's actually showing with DIN with font size of 45. You can change whatever format you want. You can use area black, you can use area, we can use whatever it is that suits you and that suits your company. Probably your company has a set down rules for all these things. Then you can bold it, you can italize, you can underline. Then let's change the color to something fine, probably a deep blue. Yes, let's have this. Yes, this is looking great. So I think I'm going to go with this. So let me just leave it like this. So this is how card actually works. These are going to be showing here. Then the other visualization tool I would like to teach you is a slicer. Let's pick the slicer up and see how it works. This is what we call the slicer. Slicer is more or less like a filter tool that filters a whole lot of when you have a whole lot of product. But we advise in your filter tool you put like qualitative data, which is the probably some categorical data, some list, and whatever it is you have, such type of data have to be put in. When you have a long list, a whole lot of list, then you need to slice it down to be able to access whatever you want at the right time. So in the slicer, let me slice for country. I want to be seeing performance of each country so that I will know okay which country to give this so goods to or whatever insight you want to make from your data. Then let's pick another slicer. Say I want to have say products inside this. Just click on this product and your product are there. You can bring it here, reduce the pain, and there you go. Let's say I want to have another slicer. I want to have a date in that other slicer. So I pick slicer and I pick date. Bish. So I have this much date. So what this is showing is if you actually click here, it's going to give you the normal calendar you used to know of which you can work with the calendar and go to different modes and the like. So we have this. Let's minimize this. And if you want to change if you want to be seeing months or you want to be seeing year, probably you have 20 years data and you also want to be seeing your database on years, all you need to do is just come to hierarchy here, click down the date, click the hierarchy here, and you can choose here. Either you want to see a quarter report, you want to prepare a monthly report, or you want to prepare a daily report. Whatever report it is you want to prepare, you can just save it there. And we have this much of a thing here. So this is what we call slicer. Now, how does slicer work? I told you earlier in my first video that whatever it is you put on this canvas on the dashboard, they interact with each other. So if I want to know what is happening in Canada and what are the products they are buying in Canada, all I need to do is choose Canada, and it's telling me that they are buying all my products in Canada. I can streamline to see the dates of goods going to Canada. Probably let me come down, let me select this here and come down to say year. If I choose year, I'll be able to see date of what is happening in Canada, exact date of what I have entered in my Excel and size of goods. And this place here is showing me the sum of profit I've made in Canada to be 3.53 million, and I've made units sold is 2 point. And if I go to France, it's going to show me profit I've made in France. And from here, you can make a whole lot of business insight and decision from here. So let's unclick this and say now you have a whole lot of long list from here, say 20, and you cannot continue to come down to probably 50. What do you do? So it's best you introduce something like search where you can actually search these two. So click on these three buttons you are seeing up there. See search here, click on search, then the search button is going to come up here. So when you click search, let's say you want to check VTT, and you can see VTT showing there. Just click on VTT and it's going to show you product, I mean the sum of profit on VTT and the sum on the unit sold of TTT. Okay, how many VTT have I actually sold to Canada? Oh, I have sold this much of VTT to Canada. I have sold this much of VTT to France. I have sold this much of VTT to United States of America. As they go, then you know the profit per product. This our slice our so you can also streamline per date. Okay, let me come to on Friday. What happened on Friday? Can remove the VTT here so that all other products will come. What happened on Friday, November 1, 2013? Just click on Friday, November 1, 2013. You are going to see all these products were actually sold on 1st of November, which is on Friday of 2014, and they were also to this country. And for that Friday, you have sold 65.48 thousand units, and you also made 765.50k profit. So that is how to. So if you want to know, okay, on Friday, how much did I actually make in Canada? How much is my guy in France making? How much is my guy in Mexico making? So you can actually filter and do a whole lot of things using Slicer and CAD. If these are the two tools you know, I'm telling you, you can do a whole lot of things in your company, and they will continue to see you as if you're a wizard and you're coming up with new stuffs, and they will continue to appreciate your work because whatever it is that will take probably the person handling it months or days to handle, you just come there, get it, fetch it, and submit it immediately at a go without getting to waste your time. So today's I've actually run through how to use CAD, the single and the multiple CAD, as well as our slicer, which you can use to filter your qualitative data or categorical data. Thank you very much for watching this. If you have enjoyed, if you have loved this, if you have gained anything, please like and subscribe to our channel to encourage us, to give us the more reason to continue to do this, and to show us that you're actually enjoying what we're doing. Thank you very much for following. So, and here you can also do a lot of editing. You can click here, come to your canvas. If you are the color person, you want it to be shining, to be looking so great. Yeah, you go to your color and choose them. So Today we learned about slicer and card. So we'll see you next time for another visualization tool. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.